So we're reviewing a dad hack. This is going to be the cleaning the oven using baking soda and vinegar. So here's the oven. It's dirty. I didn't clean it. I didn't do anything. It's just the way that it is. What I did is put a line. This will be the baking soda and vinegar. This is going to be regular 409 oven cleaner. Let's see which one works better. So we have 409, baking soda, white vinegar. So we have 409 oven cleaner, baking soda, and white vinegar. We have a bowl and we have some water. What you do is take the baking soda, mix it with a small amount of water, turn it into a paste. So we'll add some water. Then what we're going to do is put that on there. Let it sit for a minute or two. We're going to spray the 409 on this side, and then we're going to see which side actually is cleaner and what was easier to do. So let's start making the paste. Here we have the water. I'm going to put some baking soda in there, create a paste. A little more. Let's see how this is. Looks like we'll add some more baking soda. It's a little bit too watery. There we go. Now we got a thick paste. We got a thick paste there. We're gonna use our gloves, and then we're just gonna apply it with a sponge, and then we'll apply the 409 to the other side. So let's go ahead and put this on the sponge, and then we'll go ahead and apply it over here. I'm gonna put it all over. See if this actually works to clean this. A little bit more. Scrub it all over. I'm gonna try to use all of it. Make sure we have this paste completely covering this glass. And it's looking pretty good. We got a little bit more left. Let's put this on there. So that's good enough, I think, for the test. Well, let's try a little bit more. Just to make sure it's completely covered. Now we're gonna let that sit. Now we're gonna take just the 409 and we're gonna spray that on this side. Let's see which one works better. So it's obviously easier to spray the 409. So we have both. Let's let it sit for 5 minutes and we'll come back. All right, so the 5 minutes is up. What we're gonna do is mix the white vinegar. We'll just pour some in there. And what you're supposed to do is mix it with the baking soda so it creates a reaction. Let's see. You're supposed to spray it. I don't have a sprayer. So we're gonna do it like this. Gonna blot it on there. There we go. Now let's give it a little bit of a scrub. See if this is much cleaner. And there's still that caked on grease, and you can see it, some of it coming off. I think it's a little bit cleaner than it was, but I wouldn't say that it's great. So now, let's just wipe off the 409. We're just gonna use some paper towels. And the tape's messed up, that's fine. But as I look at this, and even this didn't do too much. I think at the end of the day it's still super grimy. I may have to do it a few more times and see, but if you look at both sides, maybe the baking soda one is 5% cleaner. So overall, I don't know which option was even better. It still looks dirty. So now I'm gonna have to really get into this and start cleaning it. But I wanted to try the hack since I've seen it. But to me, I think both of them did kind of a poor job. It's still super grimy. So we'll get back to this and work on it. But that was the dad hack with the baking soda and vinegar.